In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Google Merchant Center. By the end, your store will be set up to send products to Google so they can appear on Google Shopping and across free listings, giving you more visibility without a ton of manual work. First, install the official Google and YouTube app inside your Shopify admin, log into your Shopify dashboard, head to Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, and open the Shopify App Store. Search for Google and YouTube, choose the official listing, and click Add App or Install. This app is the bridge between your store and Google Merchant Center, handling the feed and ongoing sync for you. Next, open the Google and YouTube app from within Shopify and connect your Google account. Click Connect Google Account, sign in with the Google account that's tied to your Merchant Center, and grant the requested permissions. During setup, you can link an existing Merchant Center or create a new one. Right there, make sure you use the correct Google account to avoid connecting the wrong Merchant Center. Now follow the guided setup to add your store details, provide your payment methods, refund policy, terms of service, and contact information. Google checks these to ensure your business is trustworthy and compliant. If your Shopify storefront is currently behind a password, temporarily disable it so Google can access your site and crawl your product pages. You can turn the password back on after the initial checks if needed. Set up your product feed by choosing your target country, language, and shipping details. Accurate shipping settings help prevent disapprovals and mismatches at checkout. In the app settings, confirm that the Google account and Merchant Center are properly linked by verifying the account ID. As a best practice, make sure your store's currency and language align with your target country. Once that's done, the app will begin syncing your products to Merchant Center automatically. This can take up to an hour. You can monitor status either in the Google and YouTube app or directly in Merchant Center, where items will show as approved, pending, or not approved while Google reviews your data. If some products aren't approved, open Merchant Center to read the specific error details. Update the affected product information in Shopify to meet Google's policies, save your changes, and give the system time to resync. Common fixes include clarifying product titles, ensuring availability and shipping info are accurate, and keeping policy pages accessible. Finally, review your sync preferences. While syncing is automatic, you can fine-tune manual sync options, feed preferences, and shipping settings as your catalog evolves. Connecting Shopify to Google Merchant Center sets you up for broader reach and smoother product management. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.